Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to bulk move Chrome devices to organizational unit with xFanatical Foresight. Managing large numbers of Chrome devices, especially in schools or enterprises, is complex. Manually moving devices between organizational units in Google Workspace is time-consuming, error-prone, and disrupts workflows. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. xFanatical Foresight automation simplifies bulk moving of Chrome devices between OUs. It saves time, reduces errors, and streamlines management with automated workflows, freeing IT teams to focus on more important tasks. Let's dive in and see how it works. To set up this automation, the admin needs to extract the list of Chrome devices from the Google Workspace. Then the list will be uploaded to the automation rule to move Chrome devices to OU in bulk. The workflow has two rules. Rule 1. Lists and exports Chrome devices to a CSV file, including the device ID, serial number, status, last policy sync, and user. Admin needs to edit the CSV file to keep only the Chrome devices they want to move to OU. Rule 2 takes the extracted and edited CSV file from Rule 1 as input and bulk moves Chrome devices to OU listed in the file. Rule 1. Export Chrome devices. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search Bulk Move Chrome Devices to another organizational units template and click on it. In the Bulk Move Chrome Devices to another organizational units page, click Copy Rule 1. A dialog titled Copy of Export Chrome Devices will display. Click Next, then click Review. In the review screen, customize the rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Rule 2. Bulk Move Chrome Devices to organizational unit. Go back to the Bulk Move Chrome Devices to another organizational units page, click Copy Rule 2. Click Next. In the Move Chrome Device to OU screen, in the Organizational Unit field, select the appropriate organizational unit where Chrome devices would be transferred. Click the Review button. In the Review screen, customize the rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The following instructions demonstrate how the xFanatical Foresight automates the bulk moving Chrome devices to the organizational unit. Go to the Rules page. Find the Copy of Export Chrome Devices rule and click the Play button. Wait momentarily and you will get a notification at the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, click the Here button to download the Chrome device's CSV file. Edit the CSV file, keep only the Chrome device rows you want to move to OU, and delete the rest rows. Now go to the Rules page. Find the Copy of Bulk Move Chrome Devices to another organizational units rule. Click the Upload button and select the CSV file you edited. Wait momentarily and you will get a notification at the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, confirm that Chrome devices have been moved to the selected organizational unit. Go back to Google Admin Console's Chrome Devices page and confirm that the Chrome device has been moved to the configured OU. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. Please visit xfanatical.com.